Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Text 1. Promotionist marketing strategy is to increase the awareness, demand, and sales of product or service. It involves various activities aimed at informing and reminding. The goals of promotion is to increase the customer. Promotion can take many forms, such as discounts, giveaway, contest, loyalty brand, or like limited edition. Text 2. Discount food offers to provide customer with opportunity to enjoy delicious meals with low price. These promotions are commonly found in a restaurant, supermarket, delivery, online delivery platform. Discount may include percentage like the best promotion such as 20% off your order and buy one get one. Third, discount are popular thanks to reduce food waste and attract more customers. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.